Hi, welcome to BrainyBuzz. This is Premvada and we are going through the CSS tutorials. We are going to start the CSS list properties today, and if you have any questions or need any clarification, you can contact me at technical.trainer1909@gmail.com. So let's start with the list properties. List properties are basically these properties, they will be applied on the list items. So let's see a demo on this. I have created a normal structure of the HTML page and created two sample lists. One is the unordered list and another is the ordered list. So this is the normal HTML page like we have seen in HTML tutorials. So if I just save it and I refresh it, so I can find that this is the unordered list and this is the ordered list. Let me write the caption also. Okay, so now we have an ordered list and ordered list with us. So first property is the list style type. This we have seen in our HTML tutorial also, that we can change the type of the markers that we use, or the bullets, like over here, these things, like you can see the discs over here and you can see the numbers over here. So it's like we want to change, we can change them in circles or in squares, and over here we can change them in alphabets or the Roman numbers. So there are some other things also that we can use. Instead of specifying at this particular area, like over here we used to specify in our HTML, what we do, we create a style over here, the CSS style. So for for unordered list, I want list style type as the square. So let's save it and we'll see it. So for all the unordered list, the type will be square only, or if you want, you can include a class over here and like here you can mention it. You should give the single quotes over here, and when you refresh it you can find squares over here. But if you have another list like I'll write it as item number 4, 5 and 6, and I'll remove this class heading, the class thing, and save it and refresh it. You can see this unordered list has the squares and this ordered list has circles over here, the discs. So this way this style is applied only on the unordered list which has the class as the square. So for the ordered list, if you want to change it to some Georgian or Hebrew, if you just save it and you refresh it, so you can see the numbers are changed. So the language is changed. Instead of applying your alphabets or the Roman numbers, you can also specify some other characters. This one, it's if you want to apply lower Greek, you can just refresh it and you can see these alpha, beta, gamma type things over here. So this way you can specify the values in you can also specify the class over here if you have multiple ordered or unordered list. After that we have, these are the different values that we have for the unordered and the ordered list. These are also the values. These are for the unordered list and others are for ordered list. Another thing, we have this style list style position. This property will specify the position of the marker for the list item, like whether the list item is outside or inside. So let's see one example for the unordered list. By default it is outside, so I'll write inside over here so that you can see the difference. So now you can see that your list item has shifted towards a little right, and your ordered and another unordered list, they have towards the left. So this is the way it has shifted your list to a little inside of the web page, and by default the other lists are outside. Another thing, you have the list image. This is for the unordered list. It's like if I want to put an image over here, so I'll browse it. You should have a small image. I'll tell you why. First of all, we'll take a small image that we have an icon. Let's save it and refresh it. So you can see that you have squares over here, but if you write another image like if I like this blue thing over here, any other image, if I write and I just save it, refresh it, you can see you have a full image over here like this, and your item is also gone. You have your item over here. So like this, you should choose your image properly so that you can see the items. So if I choose save it and refresh it, so here this image is a little smaller than the previous image, so your item has come. So this way you can change the image of the marker that you want. Or it's like if you, we'll try it over here. I haven't tried it yet whether you can put it over here or not. Let's try it whether for the ordered lists you have this option or not. Save it. Yeah, yes, for the image, for the list of the markers, for the image for the marker, you can apply it for the ordered and for the unordered list, wherever you want. This is the list style property. You can combine all the properties together, like list style outside over here, and the type that you want, the numbers, whether you want it in elf or the disk or the square or like that. So thanks and have a nice day.